Boring Company receives approval for expanding its tunnels to downtown Las Vegas. Tunnels will stretch from the Stratosphere to Fremont Street. I guess it only goes to the convention center right now. Go all the way to downtown. Vegas loves the tunnel. Vegas loves the Tesla. Vegas loves the Elon. Of course, they have the big tech show every year, so going to the convention center made sense in the first place because you might want to ride the Tesla to go there, but why not go all the way downtown too? Downtown is supposedly being reinvigorated. That's the word that I hear. And if you can do this little loop and if it's as efficient as they say, the network of tunnels called the Vegas Loop is supposed to span 29 miles and have 51 stops when finished. For now, only 1.7-mile tunnels are operational between the Las Vegas Convention Center, turning what would be a 25-minute walk across the convention center into a 2-minute ride. The system uses human-controlled Model X and Y vehicles to transport passengers, despite Musk's previous statement about using sleds to carry cars through the tunnels. Yeah, no. Right now, they're just driving through these tunnels, and there's a driver. But if you've ever been to Vegas and there's a big show going on, you realize the difficulty in getting a cab on the surface. And the infrequency of the public transit and them trying to figure out some futuristic version. Like this system transported 15,000 to 17,000 passengers? No. Come on, did it? That's a big number. Reportedly less congested than actually walking the convention center floors. Riders said they experienced traffic backups at the tunnel, which hold a maximum of 70 cars at one time. The system transported 15,000 to 17,000 passengers during each day of CES. So yeah, for the really, really big conventions and things like that, I can see this alleviating some of the surface level pressure that's going on for transportation. And they take it all the way downtown. Interesting to see. But they got to get the sleds going, like the original plan.
Do they?
Well, that would be good, right? That'd be cool.
Because they can go a lot faster, right? That's the idea?
Let's go fast. Why don't we?
All right.
What about Hyperloop? Get to that. So get that going one day too, right, Mo? Then you're really going.
Then you're flying.
Vacuum stuff? You like that? You like vacuum stuff, don't you?
I do. Is that a shot for the
Don't get them started.
video?
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about.
The video we just released.
I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm looking at you, Mo.
Yeah, okay. We're moving
Right
on
now,
to
I'm
the
looking
next-
at you.
No.
He's going to punch you.
Is he on the edge today?
No, I've been pretty good.
Is he
I
on the
haven't
edge?
short circuit yet.
You were close.
I am
A couple of times I had you right there.
Yeah.
You were on the
I
tightrope.
think he's just happy.
Well, that's fantastic.
There's a lot of production going on.
Yes.
Oh, his video.
I like that
Yeah.
we've been busy.
Oh,
today.
you like his video
I
as
like
well.
his video.
I like his video as well.
It's very old school.
Okay, so people, for those of you, I'm going to give you a little insight because you're part of the community, the one and only. Plus, you might be in the Discord. I was over there. I was in the Discord last night. I was pretty late, and I was lurking.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I was lurking.
You see some of those memes?
I was lurking,
Okay.
and I put a GG in there.
Okay.
Yeah, you might have seen me. You never know when I'm in there. I'll be looking at what's going on.
Yeah.
There's a link in the description. You guys go join the community. But anyway, you get a little preview here. Mo put together his own video. Like he put together a video like behind the scenes. He ordered up some interesting things, and there was it was such a variety of things involved. Then he set everything up and he was like, "Okay, Lou, ready, let's go." And he's like, "Will, if you don't mind, can you help me out with this video over here?"
So
Sounds
polite.
Like anytime, buddy.
You did.
Yeah.
You did exactly like that. And you were running around. And what happens when he's excited is his pace actually gets faster.
Yeah.
He starts moving differently.
But I'm glad that everything was prepared as best he could.
And then when he's upset, everything slows down and the shoulders go. And,
I was very passionate.
yeah. And then
Very expressive.
you can
Hard
see,
on the sleeves type of guy.
you can see it either way. You can see it either way what's going on with him. But he was super excited about this video, and I think you guys are going to love it. I don't know when it comes out, but we shot it. But you guys are going to love it. And you got to show him support because he went over and above on that.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully the people like it.
No, there's no way that they don't.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm positive. Yeah.
All right. Well, then I'm excited.